Hey guys, so today I'm going to talk about getting started with trading stock, things that you need to know, and what to do. Trading stock is not as inaccessible as you think and also may provide the lowest startup option for getting into investing. So being in the Caribbean, I'm going to touch on our regional exchanges and also options for trading stock in the US stock market. The regional stock exchanges in the English speaking Caribbean are the Eastern Caribbean Stock Exchange, the Barbados Stock Exchange, the Trinidad Stock Exchange, and the Jamaica Stock Exchange. You want to look at which stock exchange you want to participate in because the size of the stock exchange, meaning the number of stocks traded and the value of the stocks traded, the larger that amount and the more active the stock exchange is, there is more opportunity for you to make a large return. So the Eastern Caribbean Stock Exchange is the smallest and the least active, and the Jamaica Stock Exchange is the largest and the most active stock exchange. Regardless of which country you are in, you can trade on each of the individual stock exchanges by way of setting up an account with a stock broker. Now, in the Lesser Antilles, First Citizens Investment Services does trade on the Eastern Caribbean Stock Exchange, the Barbados Stock Exchange, and the Trinidad Stock Exchange. So if there's a First Citizens within your country, that is somewhere that you can go to trade on either of these stock exchanges. Others include JMMB and CIBC First Caribbean. In Jamaica, there are several brokers. I'll just name three: NCB Capital Markets, Proven Wealth, and JMMB. So by signing up with a broker, you are therefore setting up an account for you to hold your stock in. And you trade on the stock exchanges by giving your broker instructions to buy and sell stock for you. Simple as that. Each of the different brokers will have their own requirements for setting up these accounts and their own fees. So those are some things that you should find out and pay attention to. As I said before, being in one country does not limit you from trading on either of these exchanges. It would be for you to contact the brokers that trade within those regions and get your account started. Each broker will also have a minimum amount to start an account, and that may be a bit prohibitive depending on the broker and their target market. But one hack that I have seen, and this is especially in Jamaica where there is a junior stock market, getting into stock trading via an IPO or an initial public offering usually provides you with a gateway to setting up a brokerage account. An IPO means the first time that a company comes to the public to raise money by selling shares. Usually, because they want to encourage participation, the startup for this is usually very low. So by signing up for an IPO, that is an easy way for you to get a brokerage account and start trading stock. Once you have your brokerage account open, you just have to abide by the limits of the stock exchange for the minimum amount that has to be traded, and that is usually very, very low. So check with your broker to find out what those limits are. Another good thing for us in the Caribbean is that our brokers have evolved and there is a lot of online options available for us. We can either view our accounts online or send our instructions in online, and more recently there is the option for you to trade online, particularly in Jamaica. The Jamaica Stock Exchange has a JTrader option where you can sign up with your broker that allows you to trade directly on the Jamaica Stock Exchange for yourself online. Another great option for us in the Caribbean region is that we can also trade US stocks via our brokers as well. I know that this is available at Proven Wealth and maybe other brokers as well. So you can just check with your broker to find out if this option is available. If your broker doesn't offer trading US stock, never fear, the internet is still here. So right now there is Interactive Brokers and TD Ameritrade. Those are just two examples of online options for trading US stock. There are more, but just because of time I won't go into all of them. These are platforms where you can sign up online, create an account, fund the account by wiring money to that account, and trade for yourself online. The risk here is that you are the one making all of the decisions. You are the one responsible for putting the trades in and out. So you don't have that cushion or that guidance of going through a broker. However, this also allows for you to trade at a lower cost since you wouldn't pay as much broker fees. So while it may take a little bit of effort for setting up these accounts, either with your brokers on each of the regional stock exchanges, or to set up an online brokerage account to gain access to the US stock market, these options are there. It's just for us to spend a little time to check it out, get these accounts set up, and then get access to all the opportunities of the various stock markets.